Hey friends, if you wish to know what trusted platform module is and whether you have this chip on your system or not, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. Now, why is this important? People didn't discuss it earlier because when you're upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, TPM is one of the requirements, which was not there in Windows 10, but it is in Windows 11. So, what is it? It is basically a specialized chip which stores cryptographic keys, and this is very important for the Windows Hello process for using fingerprint detection, pins, and all of that stuff. It is an endpoint security for devices. What is endpoint security? Basically, whenever you store a password or an ID, the details are stored on cloud. Your Microsoft account is on the cloud. But this kind of security, like PIN and your biometric information, is stored on your device. So, endpoint means the endpoint device, and a TPM is required for that. It is usually available on newer computers but not on the older ones. So, how can you check whether you have it or not? Simply press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command tpm.msc and hit enter. Okay. And if it mentions the status as the TPM is ready for use, you have the TPM. If it mentions something else, then maybe there is a problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.